Hello, in this programming video we are going to look at the menu button widget. So the menu button widget is sort of just like a drop down and you have buttons in there. Nothing more to it than that. And they're like a checkbox button style, so you can just select them as you want. So to do it, we just put button. So that's what I'm calling it. And create a menu button item. We need to specify the window that we're drawing to. Text is going to be what it's going to say, and I'm just going to say click me. Now button dot grid. So this just specifies that we need a grid, and this is where we're going to put all our list items. Now we need to do button dot menu equals menu and button. So we're just specifying, that we actually want a menu style system. Now we just do button menu equals button dot menu. So these couple of lines just allow us to actually create a menu, but now we need to add, items to it. To add items is simple. We do button dot menu dot add underscore check button. And this is going to be essentially what it's going to say. I'm going to say item 1. And what I'll do is I'll duplicate this a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Finally, I think you can guess the last line of code is button.pack. And now we can run the code and see what we get. Okay, so we get an error. So why are we getting an error? Must be string, not int. Okay, so something seems to be wrong. So let me just go through it again and have a look at where I made the mistake. So we've got button equals menu button window, because it's saying button right there, put a comma instead of a full stop. Okay, that should fix it. Okay, there we go. If I click this, we got a drop down and we can select them like so. So honestly, that's it for the menu button. Nothing more to it than that. There are other functions, as with all the widgets that you can use to enhance your application. I'll provide a link, as I have with all of the widget videos, that you can access and see all of these different functions. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out and I will help you. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.